gonna go pick it up right now. Just made it to the insurance auction. This is the backyard of the insurance auto auction. The F-250 that we bought is running drive, so she's gonna try to go drive it instead of getting it put on the forks to kind of just play it safe. 2017 Ford F-250 Super Duty. We got some drag slicks on his truck right there. We are currently waiting for her to pull out because we are planning on driving this thing all the way back home, 1 hour away.
They said that we don't plan on driving that I-75 back home. That's what we're gonna do.
Exactly what we're gonna do. There's that pretty truck. The window? No.
Look, busted.
Dang, it's a beautiful truck.
Yeah, it is busted. Yeah.
Oh, that passenger side window with side swipes.
Thank you. We'll be calling you next time.
Glass is busted. Dude. Oh yeah.
Look, I thought this was a dent, but this is actually tape. Oh look, it has a backup camera.
It is kind of scratched on the side right here. Just dirty there. Tail lights busted. Scuffed there. You see that scuff? We're gonna have to repaint this bed. Pretty nice. Got the e-brake on. He's going. He's already drifting and all. It's gonna need a good clean. It's only got 42,000 miles.
Well, if we're painting this, we're gonna have to fix all this.
Yeah, we're gonna repaint this whole bed probably. Ooh, it's got boost, don't it? Dang, it sounds pretty dang good.
AC working.
We got two freaking little 12-volt ports there. Four-wheel drive.
Where are we going, left?
Yeah, take a left.
Dang. What's wrong?
Nothing. We were just looking for some diesel fuel.
Check this
but
out, Yeller. What?
Here's the grill. Gonna need a new mirror. Or just this blinker here.
Let's get some decent.
Woo!
It sounds so good. Did he take all the fluids or not? Should be good. This is a new truck. It'll throw you a warning light. Hey, this thing is live.
It's got manual locking hubs.
You can take off all the stickers. I can't take that off.
XLT. All these nice little accents. There's a little ding here, but that ain't nothing. Probably pop it out. Pop a dent. There's a couple scratches here that we're gonna touch up. We probably will end up painting this whole bed here. Scratches here. It's just dirty there, and then we need this tail light also. Simple stuff. You got a reverse.
No, we just bought it like that. We're taking off stickers, auction stickers.
He thought somebody vandalized it. Got some scratches there, but this is a clean title, so main damage here is this here. It's his aluminum door though, so I don't know how how Bondo and aluminum doors goes, but this a little bit bent. We'll bend that back up. Underneath looks pretty clean. Moving them stickers. So what we're probably gonna end up doing, probably throw a simple lift kit.
Tires, the whole shebang.
The whole shebang is going on this thing. Lift kit, tires, wheels, all that good stuff.
Might just put a sticker over the door.
Just throw a sticker over that damage.
Oh, I locked it. I don't know how to get it open.
Fine. How do you go about fixing aluminum doors? Same concept.
Don't ask me.
But the truck looks good. I've always wanted to build one of these trucks and lift it on a basic lift and do the wheels and tires, and I think that should do it for this truck. Thing's gonna sparkle.
You have to get you some DEF fluid.
Definitely. Guys, we finally made it back. As you can see, we got the new 2017 F-250 here. We're kind of bouncing around on the builds here, but this was one of the exciting builds, so we had to just record it. I'm gonna throw it up on the YouTube to get you guys started. I told you guys we were gonna get some trucks, so here it is. We're gonna be doing some mods to this thing, like a lift kit, a simple lift kit, some wheels and tires, and possibly some other small mods. But we're really excited for this build, so stay tuned, guys. Check out the website, goonsquad.com, and copy some merch. We got some new merch coming out also, so if you have any suggestions on the merch, let me know. I can design some t-shirts, and also feel free to drop some comments down below. Peace.